Good morning. This is my Stalag Luft 4 belt buckle. It was made post-war, from what I'm told. And Stalag Luft 4 was a POW camp in Gross Tyczów, Pomerania, which is now Tyczowo, Poland. At its height, it had 9,000 prisoners. On February the 6th, 1945, they forced the prisoners for 86 days to uh, participate in a death march where they walked 15 to 20 miles a day. And then they arrived at Stalag 357, also known as Stalag 11B. On April the 8th, 1945, another march occurred, but they were liberated by the British on May the 2nd, 1945, near Lauenburg, Germany. Thank you for watching.